Hello, and thanks for your time. This is Chris Dallas. I'm a senior solutions consultant with Windstream Hosted Solutions. We are the enterprise class data center services division of Windstream. A little bit about us, who we are, what we do. We go out and we build, own, and operate high-end purpose-built data centers. We own 27 across the country and continue to grow and expand. Really, if you look at our service offering, it can be divided up in one of three ways. First being data center co-location. With that, what we do is we deliver space and power to customers. A couple key things about us and how we do data center co-location is the facilities themselves are highly resilient as well as compliant. So from a power delivery perspective, they're system plus system all the way through. Utility feeds in. We call that 2N, as well as backed by dual generators. So what does that mean for a customer? We guarantee and document a 100% uptime guarantee on power. In addition to that, the facilities themselves are SSA 16 compliant and certified. That's just an audit metric that speaks to data center operators like ourselves. The second delivery channel or bucket of service, if you will, would be dedicated hardware as a service. So we have the ability to go out per a customer's requirements and build and purchase firewalls, switches, servers, storage, and deliver that back for a monthly operating cost. It's going to be a bit more high-end than a lease. Obviously, the cost of the hardware is wrapped into that monthly operating cost, but we also do things like provide the power and space in one of our high-end data centers, as well as an SLA tied to the uptime of that piece of hardware. So we'll own those support contracts with whoever it may be, HP, Cisco, EMC, and be that frontline troubleshooter. That's something we've been doing since the early days. We've been around since 2001, and that was really our foray into managed application hosting. The third bucket of service would be cloud, and cloud is cloud means a lot of things to a lot of different folks. For us, it's highly available virtualized infrastructure. We can deliver it in really, we'll say, one of three ways: public, private, hybrid. I'll start with private. Private, we'll go out and we'll procure hardware, the firewalls, the switches, the compute, the storage, and deliver that back to one particular customer. Second, we'll call it utility cloud or public cloud. That's the true pay for what you need, subscribe. It's great for upgrades, unpredictable growth, bursting, things like that. So you subscribe to CPU, memory, disk. Third would be hybrid cloud. I think this is one of the things that probably sets us apart from some of the other providers. With hybrid cloud, what we can do is it really comes in multiple ways. We can have customer equipment connecting into a cloud environment. We can have some of our own dedicated hardware connecting into a customer's cloud environment. So very flexible. You can come in and connect across internet bandwidth, or you could actually connect through some private data circuits. At the end of the day, I think one of the things that we do awfully well is layer on some managed services across any of those three environments. So some of the more popular ones that are easy to kind of speak to would be operating systems management, database management. So we'll do that on a monthly operating cost. Have our team function as your systems administrator or your Oracle DBA. So like I said, we've been around since 2001, so 14 years, coming up on 14 years in the space, owned by a Fortune 500 company, and continue to grow. So again, thanks for your time, and I hope it was helpful.